Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back, and if you're new, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe because you're gonna love it here. So in today's video, we're gonna be talking about some ways to make your braces journey much more smoother and fun, because as we know, you are gonna feel pain or pressure or whatever you want to call it. For me, it's pain, plain and straight. But let's just jump into the video. So the first one that we're going to be talking about is pretty much you choosing an experienced orthodontist. Like I told you guys in different videos, please go ahead and shop around before even jumping into getting your braces done with just anybody. Make sure that the reviews are good, the establishment is clean, nice, the staff are pretty much friendly, stuff like that. Because for me, if the staff them and give me their attitude, best believe me, I take money somewhere else. I don't do that. I don't play them type of either. So just make sure that your journey itself is comfortable, including the place that you go to get it done. That's all I'm saying. And also when it comes to pricing, remember that braces, it's not cheap. You're spending big bucks. Okay, so for people like me, I'm money. Because you don't spend it on a regular basis, on a day-to-day basis, so it's a lot of money. So make sure that you find somewhere that you are pretty much giving your money to make sure that the place or the people or the orthodontist is of good standard, they have good reviews. Just make sure that everything is of your liking before you start the journey with that orthodontist. My next tip is to pretty much follow your orthodontist instructions, because again, they know what's best for your journey, what needs to get done, stuff like that. So your journey could be smoother and you don't have to prolong your process just because you're not following what you need to do. Just make sure that you're following their instructions, whether it be to wear the rubber bands. I haven't started wearing rubber bands as yet, but I think more than likely I'm going to have to wear them because of my process or my journey. Make sure that you go to your appointments every single time you have an appointment. You could miss one appointment depending on your situation or what you have going on at the time, but make sure that 1 week doesn't pass and you don't go. But make sure that you go to your appointments, go on time. Because I want to tell you how the lady read me the last time I went to the appointment, and I was like 5 minutes late, and I'm like, because I called them too, and I was like, listen, I'll be running late, just letting you guys know. And there was traffic on the road, and I ended up being like 10 minutes late. The lady read my mama. So make sure you guys go to your appointments and go to them on time. My third point is maintain good oral hygiene. So this one I feel like many people even tell because it is pretty much just like taking care of your teeth. And I know say my goddess them over here, so they carry dirty breath, stink breath, dirty teeth, and no, yeah. While you have braces, it's more harder for you to brush, floss, all that. Best believe, trust me. So now is a time where you want to really make sure that you're on point when it comes to your oral hygiene. You want to brush on a daily basis after every single meal, whatever, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Make sure you have everything with you. If you're at work, make sure you have your small travel brush, your mouthwash, your interdental brushes, all of that. Make sure all of that is on deck, on hand, so you could have it go to the bathroom and when you're at work, etc., and you're good. But make sure you're flossing as well to remove small particles, food particles, because they are there, best believe, and they build up over time, and so out of that it cause weight for cause. Cool, I wouldn't want that. So, and also too, make sure that you still do your cleaning, your dental cleaning, like go to your regular dentist and get your cleanings done. Actually need to book an appointment. But make sure that you still do your dental cleaning as well, because it is still needed. Some dentists will tell you before you come in to get the wires removed, and then you could go ahead and do your cleaning, or some will pretty much just let you come in just as is with the wires in, and yeah, so just check in with the dentist before you book an appointment for your cleaning. So my next point is to stick to a braces friendly diet. So with this, it's pretty much telling you, you know, there are certain foods that your orthodontist will tell you that you can't eat, whether it be hard foods, sticky foods. Make sure you cut up your food in small pieces so you could bite it properly, and then so that you don't break a bracket, stuff like that. To be fair, I'm gonna be just giving you the raw, plain straight. When it comes to me, I still eat everything. I eat everything. The only thing that I might not eat is nuts, because that for sure is really hard. So like stuff like that I would like totally avoid. But it's when it comes to gum, I still eat gum. When it comes to like certain hard biscuits, I still eat them. When it comes to chips, I still eat them. When it comes to certain things, I still eat them, but I'm just careful. That's just the thing. I'm not like reckless with it. I don't eat it as often as I used to. When it comes to the sticky foods, I don't do it. Reason being, it's really hard for you to get it out of your teeth when you eat it. So my next point is how to manage your discomfort. When you have braces, you are going to get soreness, you are going to feel a lot of discomfort, you might feel pain, yeah, and you do feel sensitivity. Your teeth do get real sensitive. I'm not even gonna hold you. So say I'm gonna have my appointment say next week, or like 2 days time, say that. Before that, I will definitely make sure I have my painkillers on deck. I have my ice cream on deck. I'll make sure that, you know, I just have things that I know that, okay, I might need to make me feel comfortable. Oh, and also make sure that, you know, the foods that you eat for that like couple days is pretty much soft food, so you don't feel, you know, all that pressure. Yeah, so but I also always make sure, like the day before my appointment or the day of my appointment, I'll always make sure that I take a BC, and then I usually make sure I have my ice cream on deck, because you know that the wires in your mouth, they pretty much activate when your mouth is like heated, or like, remember, your mouth already warm, inside your mouth is already warm, and imagine like eating like hot food. It's gonna get activated real fast, and you're gonna feel the pressure and the soreness and the discomfort even more. So the ice cream helps it to, you know, bring it back down, and so you can have some sort of relief. So I always make sure that I have my ice cream on deck. Oh, also when it comes to discomfort, managing your discomfort, make sure that you have wax available in your kit. I have it, but I don't use it. Reason being, I don't like the feeling of it on my teeth. So that's pretty much my tips for making the journey smoother. Now we're going to jump into the colors of the rubber bands and stuff like that. So it's not a lot. I'm just gonna touch on like a few of them. So you know, they pretty much tell you like while I was doing my research, it would tell you, oh, don't get green because it wouldn't like you have, you know, food stuck in your teeth. You do. You do. So you might not want to touch on green, like dark green. Red is a good color to go with. Burgundy is also a good color to go with, because they don't really change over time. So for me, I'm a person that loves to eat curry chicken, curry goat, anything curry, I mean that. So certain colors that I might use or might get on my braces, it does change over time. The last time I got this green color, it wasn't teal, but it was close to teal, and they actually changed to like a yellowish greenish color. So I'm saying, can't use that again. But like usually my go-to color is black. I love black. I'm always in black. And then my orthodontist doesn't have a lot of color options either, so I'm pretty much stuck with black. But you do want to, like, you know, stay away from colors that are gonna change over time, especially say for instance you have like the next appointment that you have is like in 8 weeks. That's a long time. That's 2 months without changing your colors. So with that, for me, I always like kind of like try not to stick to colors that are going to change depending on what food I might eat and stuff like that. White is a no-no. For sure. Yellow I see some people use yellow. It might look good on some people, but it might not. But then I'm also thinking like, no, certain colors is just not for me. But anyways, do what makes you feel comfortable. Whatever you like, go ahead and get it, boo. Just have fun with the colors. That's all I would tell you. Just have fun with the colors. You know, just ask the persons that are putting them on what they think. What, you know, you could ask them like, what colors does, you know, the patients usually get, what's the best color to get, you know, stuff like that. Just ask them, be friendly, like talk to them like they're just always there to help, you know. So yeah, just have fun with it. But for me, black, boo. Black, right? True. But yeah guys, so thank you guys for watching. I hope this video was very informative, and I hope that you guys are ready for your braces journey and ready for the end result, because I am dying for my 2 years to be up to see how my journey just bring everything together and how my teeth are going to be looking at the end of everything. Yeah, I just hope that, you know, everything works out for you, and y'all have a good day.